Here's how to set a 1-hour expiration to share Google Sheets. You may want to share your Google Sheets. Maybe you have some leads, some data, some interesting information, but you only want the viewer or editor an hour access, and that is it. You want the access to expire. So we are in our sheet right now. Go up to click the share button, which right now this sheet is private only to me. Click there, and now under general access, we can add someone's email address. We can select on the right side viewer or editor. And where it says viewer, commenter, editor, click add expiration. Here this expiration will default to 1 month. Click on the edit expiration, and we're going to have to click back to this month and today's date. Click on today's date. Select the time, and you'll see all these grayed out times. Scroll down and select the next hour. Or if you want it just over an hour, select 2 hours from now. These are set hours like 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. So if you want only 1 hour, maybe select the closest hour. Right now it's 10:07 a.m. and I can allow access till 11 a.m. or noon if I want to give just a little bit more. Maybe I'm not sending this yet. So I'll select noon and click done. Now I can select to notify people or not. I can select to notify people, add a message. Here's your data you requested for 1 hour only. And I can click send. It'll ask me this person is external. Maybe you won't get this message if it's someone internal. Share anyway. And now that access is updated. You'll see at the top right that the access is updated here. And you can see when the access expires. There you go. You have now set a 1 hour expiration to share your Google Sheet. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.